Salutations, everyone.
Salutations, queens and kings. We're here with another unboxing video. This is a special one because I just ordered from JustCynRoy, and I actually met her in a Facebook group, and I'll put the link down below. The Facebook group is called Crafty Black Girls, and I was really excited when I went to her page. So let's open it. Good. Thank you. That's what I'm saying. Yes. Definitely go check her out. It's her information. I'll put her information down below as well. I love that picture. And I love the pink packaging too. That's definitely a standout.
Very dope.
A little sticker on the box. That is so cute. Very nice size box. I'm gonna open the box. I should have got. You slit this with the scissors or box cutter. I'll get the box cutter.
No. Alright, so I actually got it right here. Because, you know, I'm like that.
I'm gonna do it delicate. Ha. Away from yourself. Cut away from yourself.
Big time promotion.
Here we go. Ooh. Look at that. And it smells good.
Get up a little closer on that. Boom.
So this is the Sage Smudge Kit. And it comes with a turkey feather. Boom. Also comes with a Palo Santo stick. Comes with a Abalone Shell. Boom. And it comes with a mini California white sage.
Very.
And a tripod. This is the tripod. I'm gonna set it up. Set it up for you. Look at that. Isn't that adorable?
Amazing.
I love this. Definitely love supporting. I'm gonna grab so much more of her stuff. She has candles, oils, so much more stuff. So definitely check her out. And hopefully you liked this unboxing video. Definitely share this video with other people that you know would love to, invest in this queen and these supplies as well. And comment down below, tell us what you think, and we'll drop all the info down below as well.
Wow.
Can't wait to fire this up. I'm gonna have to do a video using it.
It does. We thank you.
Thank you. Yes. That's the perfect clip for the beginning of the video.
You did that.